based off of a discovery at the gas station today. We're gonna rotate my tires, and I'm gonna call the tire place, see if I can get a couple rear tires, because I just need something to hold me over until I get wheels, something cheap that looks the same, I guess. But yeah, so I'm gonna make a phone call, and then we are going to rotate the tires. So obviously front passenger or rear passenger to front driver, rear driver to front passenger. You know the drill. Let's get to it. Alright guys, so it's safe to say this is the first time these tires have even been remotely rotated. So this was the rear driver's side, and this was the front driver's side. Like, look at the difference in tread, bro. That's insane. So, I just got off the phone with Discount Tire. They do have the tires I need, so I'm only gonna get rears, like I said, just enough to hold me over till I get new wheels, and they will be going in the back. So that's what we're looking at for that. I'm supposed to go in tomorrow, so hopefully I can actually make it in tomorrow and get that done. Scheduled it not thinking, and I work till 5, and the appointment's at 5:15, so hopefully I can get out of work early, go get these tires, because I really need them. But these will do me just fine for the next couple days. Let's get these switched over. Also, I'm not doing a full rotation. I'm just switching the rears to the fronts because I'm getting new tires. I'll rotate them all after I get new tires, so the new ones are going to be in the rear, and then I'll just swap the driver's side and the passenger side when it comes down to it, which should be nice and easy. So I'm going to swap these back over, and I'm not quite sure what else we have to do today. Alright guys, so Roxy's back on the ground. Rotated the tires. That one's up front now. And we will go and get the new tires tomorrow. And I have a big mess to clean up, so that's what I'm getting to next before it rains. It's supposed to rain. We haven't had rain in a long time in Michigan here. We haven't had actual rain in a long time. Actually, almost since winter, we haven't had any precipitation whatsoever since the last snow, really. So it's gonna be nice. It's supposed to rain all day tomorrow, but even more so means I need to clean this stuff up before it sits out here and gets soggy. And then I think we have a couple packages for Roxy today, and I think that is going to end the video. We will see. Alright guys, so we actually have two packages, and this package right here, let me set you guys over here, is some wrap for my gas cap. I'm hoping this matches the car. Looks like it's going to. Pretty nice. I'm going to walk outside and compare it, but this will be nice. Won't have a black gas cap anymore. And this guy right here, and it is the banjo bolt for my oil cooler, because I have a connection leaking for my oil cooler. It's leaking pretty bad. So I have that. I also have a new oil cooler. So we are going to see whether it is that, the oil cooler, or both. But right now, I'm going to run outside and we're going to check to see how closely this wrap matches. because I'm hoping it's as dead on as people say it will be. And that way I can throw it on the gas cap and make some eyebrows for the light. So that looks pretty dead on, actually. Like almost exactly dead on. So we are going to take the gas cap off, and that way we can wrap it inside. And maybe we can get to the eyebrows before it rains today. I'm not 100% sure on that. Alright guys, so I got it wrapped. It looks good. It's pretty much a match. It's a little bit darker, but this sits out from the body a little bit, so it's at a different angle. But it's pretty much a match. The only tough part is this chrome ridge all around here, which I decided to cut out. It's really tough to wrap that, actually. So decided to just cut that out instead of having to deal with it ever bubbling or anything like that. I don't really have the time to be super worried about that. Now we are moving on to the eyelids.